Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix failed deposits on Kraken. So first of all, go ahead and check the deposit status. Click your portfolio and click the transactions, and from here you're gonna see the rewards, the coins that you bought, and etc. Right? And make sure that you see the deposit status after you deposited, deposited a crypto or a fiat, and basically verify details. Make sure that you use the correct deposit information. Click the arrow thing at the bottom right, and make sure when you go to deposit crypto or fiat currency, make sure that you enter the right information, and make sure that you enter the right address. Go ahead and click Swift, and then click continue from here, and make sure that you enter the right details, and like bank details, reference code, etc. Errors here can delay or fail deposit. Next, confirm with your bank issuer. Contact your bank to ensure the transaction was processed successfully and no errors occurred on their end. Next, Kraken may require additional information for large deposits or specific currencies. Check for any notifications in your account. Click cancel right here, click the transactions, or go to the home page and click the notifications. Lastly, contact the support. If the deposit doesn't show up after the standard processing time, like 1 to 5 business days, contact Kraken support. Click your account at the bottom right, go ahead to the support center, click chat with us, and basically initiate a conversation with Kraken, and they will refer to you to one of their employees so they can help you out with your deposit issue. And make sure that you fill out the receipt, or basically save the or show the receipt and the reference number so they can help you better. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.